Zoho Books integration with Shopify. How to integrate Shopify with our Zoho Books over here. So what you could do is we could go to our apps over here in our Shopify and simply click on all recommended apps. You will see a pop-up over here. Click on Shopify App Store below and you will be redirected to another page. So what we're going to do in this page is we're going to search through our App Store, Zoho, and simply click on enter and you will be able to see all platforms or all applications that is supported or that is attached to Zoho Books. And as you can see here, we have Zoho Books or Zoho related apps. So we could have, or we can check this one out over here, Zoho Books. So you can install this specific app over here and you will be able to connect your Zoho Books together with your Shopify. This will allow you to import details, order details to your Zoho Books. And you can even import your products or your orders, shipment details, and other information as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.